Given the performance for the most part, in all really, against Scunthorpe last weekend, it will be hard to make changes, won't it, after a showing like that?
I don't think there's going to be many surprises in our team, and it was an outstanding performance just for that little bit at the end, and as well a little bit of luck here and there. I don't think we've had the bounce of the ball at Bristol Rovers and on Saturday, but we've got to keep going. I thought the performance, a lot of parts of the game was outstanding. We can pick that final pass a little bit better. We can be a little bit more composed, maybe in the last 5 or 10 minutes. But I've got to, stick that against a team that's desperately hanging on for a point. I don't go along with what the opposition manager said, that the point was at least they deserved on the whole. Looking at the game as a whole, maybe he thought that was because of his players' efforts in sticking in the game. When it was tough, which you have to give them, as I did after the game, an awful lot of credit, the way they defended. But for the majority of the game, we were far superior in our play, and we need to turn that superiority in play and everything into goals, which we didn't. So we go again. We go again against Bolton, another a good side, another tough challenge that we have on Saturday.